Rip up. To tear something into pieces. I ripped up the wrong paper by mistake. She ripped up her test paper in anger. Split up. To separate or end a relationship, or to divide something into parts. My parents split up last year. They split up after 5 years of marriage. The class was split up into small groups. Let up. To stop or become less strong, especially about bad weather, pain, or pressure. The rain finally let up after 2 hours. The pain finally let up after I took the medicine. Fix up. To repair something. I will fix up your computer tomorrow. He fixed up the car and sold it. Fix up. To arrange something, like a meeting, job, or date. I will fix up a meeting with the teacher. He fixed up a job interview for me. She fixed me up with her friend. Queue up. To stand or wait in a line. People queued up outside the shop. Please queue up nicely and don't push. Pull up. To stop a vehicle. A taxi pulled up in front of my house. The bus pulled up at the stop. Team up. To work together with someone to do something. Let's team up for the school project. I want to team up with you for the game. Show up. To appear, arrive, or be present somewhere, especially where someone is expected. Please show up tomorrow at 9 a.m. Why didn't you show up yesterday? wind up. To end something, like an activity or meeting. Let's wind up the game and go home. Let's wind up the meeting now. The teacher said, "Time to wind up the class." Call up. To make a phone call to someone. She called up her friend to say sorry. Can you call up the doctor? Hang up. To end a phone call. I think the call was hung up by mistake. Don't hang up. I need to talk to you. Sit up. To move from a lying or leaning position to a sitting position with your back straight. Please sit up straight in your chair. Don't lie down now. Sit up and listen. Heat up. To make something warm or hot, usually food or a drink. I will heat up the soup for lunch. Mom is heating up the milk. Clean up. To make a place clean and tidy. Please clean up your room. He cleaned up the floor with a mop. Pack up. To collect and put your things into a bag, box, or container. She is packing up her suitcase. Don't forget to pack up your clothes. Dry up. To become completely dry. The river dried up in the summer. My lips dried up in the wind. Drink up. To finish your drink completely. Drink up your milk before it gets cold. Drink up. It's good for your health. Eat up. To eat all the food on your plate. He ate up everything on his plate. Eat up. We are getting late for school. Crack up. To laugh a lot or suddenly start laughing. She made a funny face and we all cracked up. He cracked up when I told him the funny story.